Okay, hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how we register an account in ctpassive. I see very many people have found problems in registering an account, so this short video is going to take you through the registration process. So what we do, first of all, you have to get a link from your sponsor, and then when you click on that link it brings you to this page. So on top of the page there is registration and login. So you go to register, it will open this page and you will see the registration page here. So you should take note that your sponsor ID should appear here. This is the sponsor ID and this is the sponsor username. So you should make sure that your sponsor appears here. So you fill in your name here, your first name, your last name, your first name, you type in your email address, the valid email address, and the username you want to use here. You type in your password here, you retype it again here, and now this is the most important part. It is here on the payment processor. There are two. We have Perfect Money, and then these coin payments and coin to send are for Bitcoin purposes. So that's why I said there are two payment processors. But if you have Perfect Money, you choose Perfect Money. If you have coin payments, or if you have Bitcoins, you can either choose coin payments and coin to send. Then when that is done, for example, if you choose coin payments to bring that, then here you type in your Bitcoin address where your payments will be made. And the same thing happens when you choose coin to send. Again here you type in your Bitcoin address that will be used in your payments. Now after that is done, you enter this captcha. You copy this captcha and you enter it here, and then you register. So that's basically the registration process. The most confusing thing was with the payment processor here and the payment processor ID. So other things are okay. So thanks guys for that. I'll be coming back in another video. Okay.